Some evenings, tiredness does not arrive as sleep. It arrives as restlessness. The house becomes quiet, the dishes are finished, and the day should be over. You sit down, perhaps with the television speaking softly in the corner, and your body feels heavy. Yet when you go to bed, the mind continues to move. It remembers a small worry from the morning, a conversation from last week, or a pain in the shoulder that seems louder in the dark. Many older people know this feeling. You are tired, but not settled. In Japan, there is an evening habit that I learned to respect more as I grew older. It is the habit of Ofuro, the Japanese bath. Not simply washing the body quickly, but separating cleaning from soaking and allowing warm water to become a quiet bridge between daytime and sleep. When I was a boy, the bath was not rushed. First, the body was washed outside the tub, sitting on a small stool with a wooden bucket nearby. Only after washing did we enter the deep, warm water. The bath was not a place for scrubbing. It was a place for letting go. I remember my grandmother in the evening moving slowly through the house after dinner. She would put away the small bowls, rinse her hands, and prepare the bath with the same calm attention she gave to tea. A towel was folded, the wooden door slid closed, steam softened the room. When she came out, her face always looked quieter, as if the day had finally loosened its grip. Across Japan, bathing has long been part of daily life, from the home of Ofuro to neighborhood sento bathhouses and natural onsen hot springs. The feeling is similar. The body is warmed, the day is washed away, and the evening becomes gentler. The wisdom of this habit is simple. Sleep does not begin only when the head touches the pillow. Sleep begins earlier, when the body receives a message that the day is closing. A warm bath can be one of those messages. The muscles are invited to soften. Your hands slow down. The room becomes quieter because you cannot rush properly while sitting in warm water. Afterward, as the body cools down naturally, many people feel more ready for bed. I will not pretend it is magic, and it is not a treatment for serious sleep problems. Still, as a gentle evening rhythm, it can help the body understand that there is nothing more to solve tonight. Modern evenings often do the opposite. Bright screens keep the eyes alert. Heavy meals sit in the stomach. News and messages pull tomorrow's worries into today's room. Then we wonder why the mind will not bow politely and leave us alone. The Japanese bath habit works because it gives the evening a shape. Dinner is finished. The lights become softer. Warm water is prepared. Night clothes are waiting. Each small action says the same thing in a different language. We are leaving the day behind. Before we continue, I would enjoy hearing something from you. Was there an evening habit in your home when you were younger? Something simple that made the house feel ready for sleep? You may write it below, and if these quiet lessons from Japanese life bring you comfort, you are welcome to stay with me here. To bring this habit into your own life, begin gently. You do not have to build a perfect Japanese bathroom or buy special objects. The heart of Ofuro is not luxury. It is the decision to give your body a clear, kind ending to the day. Choose a time that is early enough. For many people, bathing immediately before bed can feel too warm or too active. Try leaving a little space between the bath and sleep, enough time to dry off slowly, put on comfortable clothes, and sit quietly. The exact timing is personal. What matters is that the bath belongs to the closing of the evening, not the middle of more busyness. Make the water warm, not punishing. Some people think hotter means better, but the older body deserves respect. The bath should feel comforting, not like something to endure. If you have heart concerns, blood pressure issues, dizziness, diabetes-related nerve problems, balance problems, or any condition where bathing may be risky, follow your doctor's guidance. Safety is more important than tradition. If a full bath is difficult, keep the spirit and change the form. A warm shower taken slowly can still become an evening ritual. A foot bath in a basin can be very calming. Even washing the face and hands with warm water, then changing into clean night clothes, can tell the body that the day is ending. Prepare the room before you bathe. Put your towel where it is easy to reach. Place pajamas or a robe nearby. Keep the floor dry and clear so there is no slipping. Use a non-slip mat if you need one, and leave a small light on for safety. When you bathe, do not bring the whole world with you. Leave the phone outside if you can. Let the bathroom become a small, quiet place. Feel the water on the shoulders, the hands, the feet. Breathe normally. There is no need to force meditation. Just notice that the day has a weight, and warm water can help you put that weight down for a little while. After the bath, protect the quiet you have created. This is where many people lose the benefit. They bathe, feel peaceful, and then return to loud news, bright lights, or arguments on a screen. Try making the next half hour softer. Lower the lights. Drink a little water if you are thirsty. Sit with a book, quiet music, or simply the sound of the house settling. The bath opens the gate. Your evening choices decide whether you walk through it. A small cup of warm tea may be pleasant, but choose carefully. Green tea can contain caffeine, so it may not be the best evening choice for sensitive sleepers. Many people prefer warm water or a caffeine-free herbal tea. Again, the drink is not the important part. The important part is the softness around it. Let your bedroom be ready before the bath if possible. Turn down the covers, adjust the room temperature, and remove anything from the floor that might trip you in the night. When you return from the bath, the bed is not just furniture. It feels like an invitation. If you wake during the night, do not treat it as failure. Many older people sleep in lighter patterns than they did when they were young. A gentle evening habit may not make every night perfect. Its purpose is to reduce the struggle, not to command the body like a soldier. If sleep problems are serious, persistent, or connected with pain, breathing, anxiety, or medication, please speak with a qualified professional. Try this for 1 week. Choose 3 evenings, not 7, so the habit does not feel heavy. On those evenings, take a warm bath, shower, or foot bath, then keep the next half hour quiet. Notice how your body feels. Notice whether the night begins with less resistance. Tonight, when the house becomes quiet, do not hurry straight from the noise of the day into the darkness of bed. Give your body a small bridge. Warm water, soft light, clean clothes, and a few quiet minutes can change the meaning of the evening. The worries may not disappear completely, but they may loosen their fingers. Your shoulders may lower. Breathing may find a slower path. This is the old kindness of Ofuro. It does not force sleep. It invites the body to remember how to rest. And if we can end the day gently, perhaps the morning will meet us with a little more peace.